a problem. God has been very kind. I saw the car. Anything could have happened.
I think all the airbags is open.
ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೀಳುತ್ತಾ
ಇವ್ರು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕೂತಿದ್ರು ಸರ್.
I saw all air, even backside airbags open. I mean, if you look at the car, you will probably feel that nobody would have survived this.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮೇಜರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
It's all your blessings. God was very kind. So, can she move around? No problem. Was
She got the L1 and L4 compression fracture. She has to be in the bed.
Does she? I asked whether you've only done an MRI, but have we done a CT scan or not? They said tomorrow.
She have to move her to the house to scan.
But is the fracture visible in?
Yes, sir. Visible in MRI.
Visible in. Then she will have to.
ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೈನ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಐತಿ. MRI ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಐತಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ MRI ಒಳಗೆ ನರ್ವ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಟಿಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಚರ್. ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸರ್. ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
If there is some kind of nerve compression,
No,
also you can see. That's very good.
Yes, sir. I'm displaced.
That's very good. Is there any narrowing of gap because of the fracture? Nothing. That's good. You'll be fine. No problem.